Hi, I'm Elaine Walter. I'm a Sonoma County Master Gardener here at Harvest for the Hungry Garden. And today we're going to be planting leeks. And today is the middle of September. And what we've done first is dug holes every 6 inches. And we found that the soil was rather dry. So as a precaution, I'm adding a little water to each hole so that I am planting in damp soil. And I will water again after I plant. Here in Sonoma County, we can plant leeks in the fall. They'll grow all winter. We'll have something wonderful to harvest in early winter, and the leaves on the tree behind us will be gone. This spot will get a lot of sunshine. The leeks are going to love it. I've chosen to take the biggest because we have a lot of leeks here. We'll plant some in our biggest garden, but this is our demonstration garden. And you'll see that the roots are, even with me not being that careful, they're enormous. So in preparation for planting, I'm going to cut about half of that off. I'm going to cut about half of this off. And notice this white part? That can definitely be buried deep. So I'm going to come over here and put it in the hole and bury it deep. So here's my soil, and I'm going to water this again, but I don't have to worry about planting it exactly at the level it was in the tray. I'm actually going to bury it a little deep.